Good morning, I'm Dave Coppin. I'm Head of Global Business Development for AVEVA and the Enterprise Solutions line of business, where we're mainly dealing with information management and maintenance material management for plant owner operators. So for those who don't know, AVEVA is a British-based company. We grew out of the Cambridge University and back in the 1960s. We're headquartered in Cambridge, and we've been one of the world leaders with innovation and object-centric technologies for the last 45 years. I think the biggest challenges that we're seeing today is getting an acceptance that there is a new way of working. We see a lot of owner-operators, indeed in the last few days I've been and talked to a few of them, where they understand perhaps they might have a problem with their information management and controlling of that information, but trying to understand that there are solutions in the market that help them deal with some of the older chemical plants and petrochemical plants that they're working in, and also that there are new brownfield revamp projects and the new greenfield projects that they're working on. So we're trying to help these companies to envelop and build on the fact of having a digital information hub. So the biggest thing that we're trying to introduce to people is to have a digital information hub that allows them to look at asset performance management, so they can look at the existing brownfields, projects that they've got, to be able to bring together all the information regardless of its data source, regardless of the type of information that it is, whether it's old PDF documents, old scanned pieces of paper, or it's more modern electronic information, to control and manage that in a single environment, and then to connect that with reliability systems, maintenance management systems, health, safety, environmental type systems. We're also trying to help organizations with project performance management with the same digital information hub, so that we can take new greenfield projects and do a phased, controlled handover of that information. At the moment, we see a lot of companies going out and doing new projects, don't necessarily put the right contracting strategies in place to receive the information from their engineering companies. Consequently, at the end, they get a box of DVDs and they don't know what to do with it. More importantly, they don't know what they don't have. So we're putting in place for these organizations strategies to overcome that with a digital information hub. Well, after listening to one of the keynote speakers this morning, Vietnam definitely is one of the key regions that we're going to go after. Thailand we see as another one that we're really trying to go after. We're already being very successful in the more mature European markets, but we see the greatest growth potential in the BRIC countries. So Brazil, India, Russia, China, those regions of countries, and in particular Southeast Asia, Indonesia.